An equation in standard form would say ax plus by equals c. Here is an example, 4x plus 2y equals 10. Notice there's no slope, there's no y-intercept. This is a different form of an equation of a line, but it can be helpful. So we'll look at an example of when you might use this. If we scroll down, all right, you're spending your holiday money at iTunes. You can buy songs for $1 and rent movies for $5. You have a gift certificate for $25. Write an equation that relates the number of the songs and the movies that you can rent if your total amount you can spend is $25. Well, first of all, let's pick some variables. Let's use S to represent the number of songs you can buy, and we'll use M to represent the number of movies. You would need to first define some variables so we know what they're standing for. Then we can write an equation. You get $1 per song, 1S, and you need to spend $5 per movie plus 5M to get you a grand total of $25. Look at how simple that standard form equation was to make. $1 per song plus $5 per movie has to equal $25. Now we need to try to graph that. It can be more difficult, so let's make a table. What if you don't buy any songs? You only buy movies. $5 per movie, you would need to buy 5 movies to reach $25. What if you bought only 4 movies? You'd spend $5 per 4 movies, that's 20. You'd need to buy 5 songs. What if you bought 3 movies? That'd be $15. You still need to spend 10 more on songs, etc., all the way down. 2, 1, 0. The two big important points are going to be this 0 for songs and the 0 for movies. We'd need 25 songs to reach $25. The reason these are important because these will be your so-called x and y intercepts. We're going to have a point where the songs are 0 and the movies are 5, or where the songs are 25 and the movies are 0. These would be my two intercepts on my graph. So let's start with songs. If the songs are there and movies are here, oh, right in there, movie, I could buy 0 songs and 5 movies. So I'll put a dot up at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I could buy 25 songs and 0 movies. Ooh, that's not going to fit. So I'm going to have to change our scale here a little bit. We might have to count, instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're going to have a different scale. Maybe 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. So my dot for 25 would fall right after 24, about here. And then I could draw in my line to show that if I have 5 movies and 0 songs, or all the way down to the possibility of 0 movies and 25 songs. That's how you graph a line in standard form. Let's quickly look at the Minnesota Thunder, which is a soccer team, gets 2 points for every win, 1 point for a tie. So we're going to have a W means the number of wins, and a T will equal the number of ties. They need to get a total of 20 points. So I could have 2 points for a win plus 1 point for a tie, and that needs to give me a grand total of 20. So what if they never win? They only tie. They'd get 1 point for each tie. They would tie 20 times. What if they never tie? They would get 2 points for every win, so they would need 10 wins to reach 20. These are going to be my x and y intercepts on my graph. So I'm going to have the number of wins, and the number of ties. And I could sketch them in. Let's see. All the way out to 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So we have to fit in. Let's see. The wins are going to be 0. The ties are going to be 20. That's way up here. My y-intercept. And if my wins are 10, and my ties are 0, way down here, and draw the line. Now I've sketched a graph for the curve. 2w plus 1t equals 20.